So hey, what is up guys, it's me Ansh and I'm back with another video. So the Asus has continuously been a point of attention in this whole year. First with the Asus 6 and 6Z, and then they created hype of the Asus ROG Phone 3, and now this time Asus getting attentions for the Asus 7 and Asus 7 Pro. We has gotten our very first leaks of the Asus 7 and 7 Pro. So let's start the video. Now when the Asus ROG Phone 3 hype is getting settled, we are starting to get the leaks of the Asus 7 and 7 Pro. And guys, nothing is wrong because everyone loves some hype. So guys, let's move on the leaks. We have the camera specifications of the Asus 7 and 7 Pro. Last time, as we know, Asus has given a flip mechanism on the Asus 6 and 6Z. Asus is gonna to continue that flip mechanism technology with the Asus 7 and 7 Pro, and at this time Asus is gonna to give you more speed in the flip mechanism. And the leak says that Asus can give you a 64 megapixel quad rear camera setup that will become your selfie by using a flip mechanism. And let's talk about its camera. Asus could give you a 64 megapixel main sensor plus 12 megapixel depth sensor plus 12 megapixel ultra wide sensor plus a 3D sensor that will help you to take 3D pictures and many more. And one more leak says that the Asus is gonna to give you a AMOLED display with the in-display fingerprint sensor with the support of 120Hz super screen refresh rate. And no doubt the Asus 7 series are gonna to be the flagship killer. Yes guys, because they are cheaper. Asus is gonna to use Snapdragon 865 Plus on its Asus 7 series. Let's move on battery department. According to 91 Mobile, could feature a massive 5000 mAh battery with the support of 65 watt fast charging. Yes guys, Asus is gonna to do this work. So it's all guys. If you like the video, do hit that subscribe button and also press that bell icon so you never miss any updates of my channel. So bye and see you all in the next video.